Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix video editor error, and the error code is 0x80070057. So if you're receiving this error code in Microsoft Video Editor, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to repair Video Editor. For this, go ahead and type in Video Editor in Windows search box, and then make a right click on Video Editor and then click on App Settings. Now scroll down. Over here you can see the repair option, so click on repair, and once the repair is done you can go ahead and start using Video Editor, and that should go ahead and fix the error message. Now still you are receiving the error message even after performing repair. In that case you can go ahead and perform reset. So the next option is to reset Video Editor, so click on reset and then click on reset once again, and after the reset you can go ahead and try to use Video Editor. Now even after performing reset, still you are receiving the error message. In that case you can go ahead and uninstall and reinstall Photos app from Microsoft Store. So first of all you have to go ahead and uninstall, and then you have to go ahead and reinstall Photos app from Microsoft Store. To uninstall, copy this command. The command is provided in the video description. Open this, copy this command and then open PowerShell. So type in PowerShell in Windows search box and then make a right click on Windows PowerShell, then click on Run as Administrator. Then click on Yes to allow and paste the command over here and hit the enter key. This will go ahead and uninstall Photos app which has Video Editor. So next time when you type in Video Editor, you won't find Video Editor. So this has been uninstalled. Now to go ahead and reinstall Photos app, go to Microsoft Store. So type in Store in Windows search box and then click on Microsoft Store. And in the search box you can go ahead and type in Photos app. You can go ahead and type in Photos and then click on Microsoft Photos. Now over here you will see the install option, so click on Get. Now this will go ahead and install Photos app on your computer. Now once this is installed, over here you can go ahead and type in Video Editor once again. It should take a couple of seconds to come back, so type in Video Editor once again, and here you can see Video Editor. Now you can go ahead and start using Video Editor and you should not receive this error message anymore. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.